Today's our editorial is more at the top. The US Open was not short on exhibition of top notch skill and indomitable will. Was not short on exhibition the top notch skill and indomitable will. The 2020 US Open, which concluded at New York on Sunday, may not have had its usual stardust, but that it should not deflect the excellence of Dominic Thiem and Naomi Osaka, who won their first and third Grand Slam singles titles respectively. Here they were saying that like due to some of the disturbances and some of the skills and like in the stardust, like anyone should not lose their fame in different type of things. Like everyone must have a proper view on their things. Like example, if they took an example as Domincy Theme and Naomi Osaka, like here they were saying that like Naomi Osaka, so they are saying that they must not deflect them from the excellence. Like they are saying that like even though if they face many of the things from others, like they must not leave their profession or leave their pride like by listening that they had said that like we should not get those type of words and we have to concentrate on our work. And yeah, they were saying that Dominic team and Naomi Osaka, like they were the first and third Grand Slam single title, like they have won the Grand Slam single titles respectively. uh, and they must not lose or deflect from their excellence. Injuries and travel concerns owing to the COVID-19 pandemic forced Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal into not making the trip across the Atlantic. So here, after some of the more pandemic cases and like COVID-19 cases during this pandemic, like Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal, like, they were not allowed to make any trips during across the Atlantica. Like they were restricted. Like it's for their sake only, but they have to understand it, and they have even stopped those both for to travel across the trip in of the Atlantica. World number one Novak Djokovic, chasing Federer's all-time record of 20 Grand Slams, took the bait, only to disqualified in the fourth round for accidentally striking a line judge with a ball. Like they have totally passed the three levels, but in the fourth level they had just missed in an point, like they had gone across the line. So there is a small mistake they have done in the fourth round. Among women, six of the top eight were missing. Like here, like according to the women means like there were some of the different things, right? According to the women mean like after so many difficulties, like in the while considering the top eight, among the six were missing, like due to some of the judgments or everything, what they have selected in the top six, like they were missing in the list. But in the extraordinary times, strength of the competition must not be the only barometer. The travel, the isolation, lack of fan engagement, and the persistence threat of a virus meant that players have the mind every bit of their mental energy. Like in that, every person who is participating in this, like they have the mental energy and they have a logical thinking according to a situation or of a topic, and they have also have fan engagement and persistence of threat of virus. So even they are also taking up the measures to get avoided from viruses during the play. It's a testament of teams in Osaka's supreme abilities that they did not wither and managed to even summon their best tennis and fight back from the brink against the young Alexander Zverev and seasoned Victoria Azarenka, both players of top skills and indomitable will. Top skills and indomitable will. Like they had also, like they were also not even agreeing their rules and they were trying their best to give their goal and their will. Thiem is the first time men's major winner, long years after Marion Les Oraska has joined Venus Williams, Serena Williams, Kim Slijgerst, and Angelique Kerber as the only active woman to have won at least 3 single majors. So, as compared to the different type of people who are playing for the single title, a girl named Osaka, the girl Osaka had come into the team and she had what right? She had blindly won 3 single slam titles. Statics aside, the tournament provided the first glimpse of how men's tennis could shape up in the absence of Federer, Rovic, and Nadal. So here, like I also said about the absence of a group leaders or also absence of experts, and they also had teach like how the group will fail, how the group will win, and how the group must support themselves, even though if they were any, even if there any absence in the group. The team led the mid-card, which includes Zverev and Daniel Medvedev and Stefanos, and made good in promise and provided three of the four semi-finalists. So even there was an absence from the finalists. Some of the people had added into the group, and they have made their group go into the semi-finals. The 24 years old Austrian broke their first was no surprise, for he had always already reached three major finals and consequently beaten as the 3 week starts. So here like they also had also entered into the major finals, and they also had bet so many of the stars and their and the different type of competitors. Well, William appears to be future Oscar, nearly 5 years youngster. He is very much of a woman of the moment. The Japanese is most decorated as science singles player, and her use of platform of being the most marketable sportsman on the planet to higher than the instances of tasker injustice has captured the world's imagination. So here, like after considering many of the things while even considering the injustice and injustice of a woman, and they have finally said that it was an injustice, and they are giving their best to give a justice for the woman who came for playing the game. Serena, who failed yet again in her quest to capture a record equaling 24th Grand Slam, will remain the top draw as long as she plays. So she was equal to the 24th Grand Slam finalist. So there will be some of the tests will be handled between some of the players and to her. They will finally keep one in the top draw to play in the remaining matches. The immediate future of the tennis may lie in a sequestered world of biosecure bubbles. The barriers are not outing being taken down. So even they were also saying that there must be no barriers for anyone. Like everyone must be everyone must be treated equally to keep in competition with each other. And so like they must also not show the gender bias between some of the people like male and female, and they have to treat everyone and equally, and everyone must have get a same chance, and everyone must have to get the same barriers for the playing even in the future times also. Thank you.